Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my home. I'm Eileen. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my Gabor Premium and GL18-23 Toasted Pecan. I purchased this wig with my own funds from wigstudio1.com, so be sure to go over there and check it out. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. That really counts here on YouTube. I'm also going to compare Premium to my Noriko Alva later on. So let's get started. Okay, let's look at Gabor Premium. Beautiful Gabor packaging, as you know. I always like their packaging. I think it's so nice. Let's see. Okay, comes like that. It has a hairnet. Get it out. Alright. Some packaging here. Take it out of the net. See how this looks. Oh, I love this color, Toasted Pecan. I think it's so pretty. Really pretty. Let's see. It has a lace front. Let me just show you the inside of the cap. Alright, it has a lace front, a mono part. Looks like there might be a little permatease here. I feel it, not a huge amount, but I feel some there. Closed ear tabs with stays, open wefted. It has an extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters. There's a little stretch here, not a huge amount, but there is some stretch. Let's look at Toasted Pecan. Wow, this is beautiful. This is one of my favorite colors. I think it's so pretty. It's an ash brown, and it has a cool ash blonde highlight running through it. So pretty. Now there is no gray in Toasted Pecan, and I know sometimes this highlight, people think it might be gray and with all this ash, but there really is no gray in this wig. But if you are transitioning to gray, you might have a look at Toasted Pecan. I think it would be a nice place to start a transition because it just gives you that little bit of gray cast, but there is no gray in this wig. Okay, let's try on Premium. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, first off, I'll say this is a little large on me. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I might take this in a tad. All right. Wow, this is pretty. Very sleek. Very, very minimal permatease, as I said earlier when we looked at the inside of the cap. I could feel a little. I feel just a little, but not much at all. And as you can see, this is very sleek looking. Layered cut. Blunt layers, as you see, running through here. It has this deep lace front, as we talked about earlier, and the mono part. Okay, let's look at the back. My face is 9 inches from hairline to chin, so if that helps you see where this might fit on you. The front of this is 4 3/4. The crown's 10, the sides on Premium are 7½, the back is 9½, and it has a 5½ inch nape. Really nice. If you're looking for a sleek style that has a little length, have a look at this one. I think it's very, very pretty, and I love Toasted Pecan. I think this is just a nice color in this style as well. You can really see the highlighting as it runs through here. Again, ashy color, but no gray. All right, compared to Noriko Alva. Now, this is my Alva in Silverstone. Now, the fringe on Alva is 3.9. The crown is 9.4, and the nape on Alva is 3.9. So, Premium is longer. You can see a bit longer in the fringe, the crown, and the nape. Yes. So if you have Alva, you might see how this compares to it. This is a little longer all around like that. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed making it for you. Again, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.